Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Ulefone Armor 18, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. So, to do that, you need to press and hold together power and volume up buttons. So press them together. After several seconds, you need to resolve both of keys and just press on power button once and release it. And you will see Ulefone logo on your screen. It means that we have prepared the force restart on the Ulefone Armor 18. And it means that now our screen will work. But of course, it will not help you if you damaged your screen. For sure, it's only for program troubles, So if your Android system is lagging, it will help you, but if your screen is broken, it's not. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!